Okay, this is a demonstration of the PowerMan automatic bypass switch. The PowerMan ABS, as we call it, takes bypass technology to the next level. The unit has the same capabilities and properties of a manual bypass switch, but everything is done automatically, as Stephen will demonstrate. This affords the user the best possible time or uptime on their equipment. What we can do on this unit is if we zoom into the main board, you'll see the circuit breakers showing you mains coming in and the output to the load, and then the LED indicators indicating which load is supplying. There is two switches there. One is to switch to UPS and one is to switch to mains. At the moment we are running from the UPS, which is located in front of the machine here. We're now going to instruct the box to switch to bypass. You will see the load on the left hand side. Steve, please switch to bypass. You will see there's no change to the LEDs themselves, and the unit is now running from mains. If we zoom into the board, you can see that the indicator for running from mains is now on. We can now disconnect the UPS from the circuit. First of all, switching the UPS off, Steve. So the UPS is now going through its shutdown procedure. As soon as it shuts down, we will then disconnect it from the bypass switch. Okay, batteries have been switched off. And now the UPS is shut down. You'll see the load is still on. We can now remove the power cable, or we can Stephen switch off the circuit breaker, isolating the power. We can now remove the power cables from the UPS. Okay, that's the input and the output cable. You can see the UPS is now completely disconnected from both the supply line and the load. We'll now take the UPS away, work on it, do whatever needs to be done, or replace it. The new machine comes back in. We can plug that machine in, please, Stephen. So see the input, then the output, then the circuit breaker is re-engaged. We now have power back onto the UPS. Batteries are switched on, and the UPS is started up. At this point in time, the load is still running from the mains. The UPS is starting up. Let's go back to the board. And you can see the lights on, showing that the load is on mains. As soon as the UPS comes back online, we will then be able to switch back over to UPS power. Are we back online, Steve? Okay. Waiting for the UPS to come out of bypass mode. You can see the UPS phase locks itself to the mains first to ensure that it's online. The UPS has now gone online. We can now select on the board itself. If you look here, Stephen will now select the switch that says on UPS, and he engages that switch. You'll see the lights have jumped across at the top to load on UPS. You'll see that there's no effect on the load is still run. The UPS itself is back online with the load running correctly. To demonstrate now, we can switch off the mains coming into the UPS. See the UPS now is showing a mains failure, and again no effect to the load. And we can put the mains back on, Steve. We believe that this product can be great use in retail markets such as supermarkets and restaurants that have a large uptime requirement and really battle to switch off their UPSs for servicing or maintenance.